Dancer AC Bonifacio has been spewing intriguing statements inside PBB, and Crisata recently shared these cryptic posts. There was a conversation between housemates AC Bonifacio and Michael Sager that caught attention online. It was about this someone who always tends to show off little things that, for them, appeared to be bragging. The conversation went like this. AC, I would never post if I bought a Rimowa, but I have one. Michael, for me that's a pet peeve or something I cringe at, like yung people who flex and post their ano. AC, I have a person in my mind. I have person in my mind who all the time this person's stories, it's always, Grabe, bumili ako ng ganito. Grabe, segue ng work ko. Grabe, pagod na ako. Michael, I know. I followed her din. But there are people like that lang talaga. Very expressive about their lives. AC, no. There's a difference between expressing your life and trying to show off. Many people reacted to this and expressed their arguments after hearing the conversation. To most of them, posting little achievements isn't bragging at all but something very personal to the person who shared it. Posting could serve as their way to celebrate, to make memories they can look back on after many years, among others. Also, it is letting people live their own lives on their own terms. Apart from the arguments, people also speculated that they could be referring to Crisata. Bonifacio and Ta have had an issue before, and amid the speculations, Ta shared a couple of posts that, to some, appeared cryptic and seemed to be as intriguing as a response to the remarks made by Bonifacio. This song has been my mantra growing up. Having to be the breadwinner in such early age, 14, pure hard work and independence brought me this far and I'm forever grateful for what I have now. Praying hand emoji, she wrote in one of her posts. In another one, she shared, this world just always align with me. It's called faith, this isn't luck, this is pure perseverance. Meanwhile, as of this writing, the official housemates of PBB collab are from the GMA Sparkle Artist Center, Ashley Ortega, ang Independent Tease Ice Princess ng San Juan. AZ Martinez, ang Miss Sanuring Daughter ng Cebu. Will Ashley, ang Mama's Dream Bay ng Cavite. Josh Ford, ang Survivor Lad ng United Kingdom. Charlie Fleming, Bubbly Bread Thinner ng Cagayan de Oro. Dustin Yu, ang Chinito Boss Sikap ng Quezon City. Mika Salamanca, ang controversial kabibulan ng Pampanga. Michael Sager, ang diligent Wonderson ng Marinduque. From Star Magic. AC Bonifacio, ang dedicated showstopper ng Canada. Esner Ranolo, ang Son Saturday Idol viral beshi ng Davao del Sur. Brent Manalo, ang gentle linong heartthrob ng Tarlac. Clarice de Guzman, ang kwelang soul diva ng Antipolo. Kiribal Inger, ang hopeful belle ng Cavite. Ralph De Leon, ang dutiful judo son ng Cavite. River Joseph, sporty business bro ng Muntinlupa City. Bianca De Vera, sassy unikahiha ng Taguig. What can you say about this? Let us know in the comments.